What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Swerve with another fucking YouTube video. Let me turn the light on. Today's video, let me turn both of them on. Today's video, we're about to be checking out, like, I wouldn't call it an issue, but it's something that's bothering me that may be an issue to some. I don't feel like it's an issue, but I mean, I feel like it's an issue for me, but maybe y'all wouldn't find it as an issue. But my exhaust, when times like, say if I'm shifting down to gear 1, gear 2, like I would hear like some rusty noises come out the exhaust. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if y'all ever experienced it, but I don't like that. So I'm about to go to a little exhaust shop, have them check it out, see what they're jacking, because I'm not jacking it. Like, let me show you how it sounds idle and shit. Let me just give y'all a sound just in case, you feel me? Like, y'all might not be able to hear it for real. Like, because it's nothing too crazy, but like when I like say if I rev it, I'm gonna hear that shit. Oops. Too much. Wait, you hear it? I don't know, it just, I gotta hear it. I'm gonna try to have them rev it at the shop or if anything, so y'all can hear it a little more. I don't want to do it at my crib because like I don't want to get no complaints or nothing. But I'm about to head over to there now, to Aces Performance Exhaust, the same people that did my muffler and resonator deletes. I'm about to head over there and see what they're jacking. And yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all these back up when I, feel me, go to the Spotscape. Like, look, I'm driving right now. You're gonna be able to hear it. Like, if I go down a ramp, that's when you'll really hear it. Look, listen. I don't like that shit. When I'm gonna go down another ramp again, y'all should be able to hear it. Like, the shit's trying to pops and burbles and shit sounds like dirt and rust and dust. Like, I gotta see what that's about. So yeah, we just reached Aces Performance Exhaust. About to see what they talking about. About to see what they fucking talking about right now. I called a little while ago about coming in to check my exhaust on my car.
What's going on with it?
It's like, when I say if I would rev it, it would have like a rusty sound to it. Like if I'm in like a low gear, like gear 1 or gear 2.
Is it like rattling or something? Or?
Not rattling, but it just sounds like if it was clogged with something, I would say.
You got your keys?
Yeah.
What kind of vehicle is it?
BMW.
Have you done anything to it?
Yeah.
Stock or what?
No. I added downpipes to it, but this sound was happening before I added downpipes to it. You'll probably hear it when you start it as well. Huh?
Where do you hear that?
Like,
That?
yeah.
In the front?
Somewhere, I know I hear it. But yeah, I hear it in the front as well now.
I have to check it out. That's the thing out inside of it.
Okay. To put it in drive, you have to hold down the down arrow at the top and then pull it down. Be careful, my car in there. That shit sounds straight nasty. But my car looks beautiful. We about to see what they're talking about. I do hear it in like the front, 100%. What I was thinking, should I just get some regular stock tips? Cause I ain't gonna lie, I could care less about them. I could care less about them fucking whatchamacallits. Yeah, let me pick y'all up whenever. Feel me? We gonna see what they talking. Should I get new rims too, chat? I feel like my stock ones look good, but like, say if I got something like this in black, I don't fake jack that. Fake tees. I don't know. But yeah, we gonna see what they jacking.
It looks like something hit the X pipe and made a hole in it.
A hole?
You had like a tape. Yeah, you had like a tape on there too.
For real?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
So how much would it be?
you have to replace it.
Okay, how much would it be to fix that? And also, cause I do YouTube, is it possible that I could like record the process or no?
It's not the safety reasons.
Okay. No
Yeah,
problem.
unfortunately, like afterwards you can, if you want to do it before what it looks like now, and then like after thing, yeah.
Okay,
But
we
the
can do
actual job, I can't. Yeah.
All right, no problem. As long as I can like record how it looks now and then like maybe
Yeah,
after.
come on.
Okay.
See how something hit it?
Oh yeah.
That was a tape that was like
Oh. So
something punctured it.
So that's like the only thing that I would assume.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, everything else is good.
Okay, no problem. Yo, no wonder my shit was sounding like that, bro. Shit had a fucking hole in it. Shit not even, like, how did that even happen? That pipe, that shit was weak as fuck then, bro, but you gotta get it replaced. So yeah, if I didn't tell y'all before, I'm gonna tell y'all now. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on notice. And yeah, I'm gonna get a new exhaust anyway, but we're just gonna do this for now until I get the cap back. Because that's when it's gonna sound beautiful. Hopefully that shit don't get a hole. I don't know what the fuck could have gave that shit a hole, but fuck it. We getting it fixed now. It's been a while since my shit was sounding like that too, but finally took the time out of my day to say, let me get some content and fix it for y'all. I didn't really care. I'll fix it for y'all. So I'm gonna pick y'all up when they're done. I'm gonna show y'all how it looked after, no hole. I just seen how crazy that shit looks, so yeah. Okay. No more hole. Everything looks fine now. So yeah, as y'all can see, I'm about to put it down. Yeah, hopefully it sounds a little better. Should sound way better though. I'm gonna try to get him to wherever when you pull up over here and shit. Yeah, I'm about to pay him right now. They're about to close up. And yeah, I'm gonna get to some sound clips after now because I'm pretty sure y'all heard the little raspy sound when he was in the car, but I'm gonna show y'all now how it sounds. It should sound better. Thank you.
Get him.
Huh?
Get from the back. Find a better angle.
So yeah, as you can see, we're back. No more little rusty sound. So I'm about to go back to the crib right now. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe once again, turn on those post notice. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's a little quick video once again. And yeah, see you on the next video.